The Haiti 2010 earthquake. Date: Tuesday, January 12, 2010. Magnitude 7.0. Depth 13 kilometers. Epicenter 18.457 degrees north, 72.533 degrees west. Countries and regions affected: Haiti, Dominican Republic. The 2010 Haiti earthquake was a devastating 7.0 magnitude earthquake. It struck at 16:53 local time on Tuesday, January 12, 2010. The epicenter was about 25 kilometers west of Port-au-Prince, the capital of Haiti. By January 24th, there were at least 52 aftershocks that measured 4.5 magnitude or greater. According to government estimates, around 3 million people were affected. The number of deaths was estimated to be 316,000. This earthquake was one of the most catastrophic ever. The presidential palace in Port-au-Prince before the earthquake. After the earthquake.